same error, 100 different groups. Here's how to fix that. Let's take a concrete example. We have logs like user browsing product, but each one contains a different product name. Let's open one of these logs and copy its message. Now let's go to Grouping Rules. Click New Rule to create a pattern for these logs. Paste the raw log message and click Extract Pattern. Uptrace automatically identifies the variable parts and generates a Grok-style pattern. The name after the colon becomes an attribute. Product will capture the product name from every matching log. Here you can find all available pattern types. The rule is now active. Search for these logs in groups. Open any entry. The product name is now a structured attribute, ready for filtering and alerting. From here, you can open the individual logs for this group. Grouping rules also work with more complex messages. Here we have cart logs that contain a UUID, a product count, and a product name, all variable. Paste one of these logs and click Extract Pattern. Uptrace recognizes the UUID, the number, and the product name. Add names to the placeholders you care about, then save. With this rule active, each log now has num products as a structured attribute. That means you can aggregate it. For example, track the maximum or average number of products added to cart over time. Grouping rules turn noisy logs into structured data, ready for search, alerting, and analysis, all without changing a single line of code.